Is this a mushroom or an umbrella? This is actually the parasol mushroom. It's very common. There is a poisonous lookalike, but you could determine whether or not it's the poisonous one by moving the annulus, I think it's called, up and down. But always talk to an expert before you eat any type of mushroom. But it's a very cool mushroom. You typically see it in a ring, fairy rings, and it might keep you from a little bit of rain. Anyways, enjoy fungi and have a good day.